Hello everyone, this is Shelly from Fadekang packaging machine. Today let me show you how to replace the printing ribbons. Well-known printing ribbons need to be replaced regularly. Let me show you. Now we see two rows here. The one on top is for collecting used ribbons, and the bottom one is for installing new ribbons. Now come and replace it with me. Loosen the nut to open the ribbon case and remove the ribbon paper roll. The ribbon is used up and only the paper roll is left. The new ribbon sticks to the paper roll. The ribbon has both sides, with the bright side on the outside and the dark side is inside. Install the new ribbon and case. Tighten the screws. Then we take off the used old ribbons. As before, loosen the nuts and remove the case. Press down the switch here and remove the old ribbon. Remove the old ribbon and leave the paper roll, and stick one end of the new ribbon to the paper roll. The dark side should face upwards, and let the ribbon pass through the top. Then gently tighten it. Adjust the position of the ribbon. The ribbon needs to pass through two wide screws. Press the switch here to let the ribbon pass through. Then place the ribbon, install the case, and tighten the nut. Press the switch and rotate the shaft to tighten and adjust the position of the ribbon. Thank you for your watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. See you next time.